Blood pressure. Today we will discuss the causes and symptoms of blood pressure, what is good to eat and what not to eat, what are the yoga, acupressure, Ayurvedic and home remedies for blood pressure treatment. The cause of blood pressure, depression, anxiety, and living in a busy life can lead to the disease. Overweight can lead to high blood pressure. Drinking alcohol, smoking, taking tea and coffee causes high blood pressure. Excessive eating, eating too much can lead to the disease. Constipation may cause high blood pressure. Lack of physical activity and unhealthy lifestyle can lead to the disease. The disease is hereditary. If the disease is present in the parents, then occurs in children. Symptoms of high blood pressure. High blood pressure is usually a silent state. Many people experiencing no symptoms. It could take years or even decades for the situation to get serious. Sleepless in nights and feeling restless are major symptoms. Fear is another symptom. Headaches in beginning, increased heartbeats, chest pain, and difficulty in breathing. Darkness in front of eyes, fleshy eyes are another symptom. Hands and feet will tingle. People with high blood pressure have heart, kidney, and brain related diseases. If the disease in serious condition, blood comes out of the nose and in urine. Food restrictions for blood pressure. Eat less or avoid salt and sugar. Do not drink alcohol, beedies, cigarettes, and tobaccos. Stay away from tea, coffee, chocolate, and cold drinks. Eat less or full avoid fast food, spices, pickles, and vinegar. Eat less or avoid radish, brinjal, jackfruits. Avoid the meat and bread completely. What is good to eat for blood pressure? Eat more green vegetables. Potassium in the green leaf foods help to get pass out of excessive sodium through your urine, which lower your blood pressure. So eat plenty of spinach, coriander, moringa, and other vegetable in your diet. Drumstick, beans, cucumbers, gourd, carrots, tomato, papaya are good foods for high blood pressure. Apple, orange, lemon, watermelon, and almonds are also great for this. Garlic contains high level of nitric oxide, which helps reduce high blood pressure. So use garlic regularly in your diet. Blackberry contains a natural compound called flavonoids. So eating it helps prevent high blood pressure. Beets are high in nitric oxide, which helps to open your blood vessels and reduce blood pressure. Milk and bananas are excellent source of calcium, which helps to lower blood pressure. So you can take it as a breakfast or snacks. Eat more seeds that are high in potassium, magnesium, and other minerals to reduce blood pressure. Olive oil contains polyphenols, which help to lower blood pressure. So use olive oil in your diets. What not to do in blood pressure? Stay away from excessive anger, fear, instability, and depression. Don't eat too much or overeat. Don't stay awake late at night. Don't be lazy or stay up too long. Stay away from drugs and smoking. What rules will be followed in blood pressure? Add black pepper to peppermint leaves or coriander leaves and grind these to make sauce. Take it regularly that to reduce high blood pressure. Use moringa leaf or drumstick in your daily diet that reduce blood pressure. Turmeric, black pepper, and basil help reduce salt intake. So, you can include it in your diet on a regular basis. Amla can also be used in food. Do not drink water while eating. Drink water half an hour after eating. You can fast a day in weekly or fortnightly. As a result, high blood pressure is reduced. Apply oil to the body before bathing and take bath after half an hour. Yogasana and pranayama for blood pressure. Do physical exercise. It is a good habit to walk. Try to walk 5 to 6 km every day to reduce high blood pressure. Do housework, gardening, cycling, climbing stairs, and playing games. Yoga and meditation, which is usually associated with breathing control, posture, and stability techniques. Modern research says it is also effective in reducing stress and blood pressure. Regularly practice it in morning and evening. In Siddhasana or Padmasana, sit quietly, calmly, and bring positive thoughts in your mind. Yogasana. These yogasana are very good for high blood pressure. Chakrasana, Vajrasana, Ustrasana, Bhujangasana, Salbhasana, Makarasana, Sasankasana, Pavanamuktasana, and Sarvangasana are good for high blood pressure. Pranayama. Kapalbhati and Anulom Bilam Pranayam is especially good for high blood pressure. So, you can do it too. Acupressure points for blood pressure. To relieve from blood pressure, pressure at the lower point in acupressure stick or the rounded tip of the pencil. GB20. It is located behind the head, just below the middle of the head. LU11. Located near the thumbnail of both hands. LI11. Located slightly above on inside the joint of arms and hands. ST36. Located slightly below the knee. LIV2 and 3. Located at the starting point and slightly above 2 toes in foot. H7. Located on the wrist of both hands, inside it directly straight to little finger. P7. Located at below the wrist in both hands straight to middle finger. To relieve from blood pressure, pressure at these points in acupressure stick or the rounded tip of the pencil. All the acupressure points of nerves and organs of our body at both of our hands, feet, and at 2 ears. So massage, press, or rub this place to get rid of many diseases. So rub and press your hand, feet, and ears. Home remedies for blood pressure. Drinking moringa leaf juice in the morning relieves high blood pressure. Grind 5 quince leaf and warm it in a glass of water. When it's half, then cool it and drink. It is beneficial for both blood pressure and diabetes. Drinking half a teaspoon of cinnamon and half a teaspoon honey in warm water on an empty stomach in morning relieves high blood pressure. Mix 5 mint leaves, basil leaves, coriander leaves, and black pepper with gourd or loki juice and drink on an empty stomach in morning to relieve high blood pressure. Dip 3 grams of fenugreek seeds in water at night and eat it in morning. It is beneficial for both diabetics and blood pressure. Dip 3 to 4 grams of triphala powder in water at night, strain it and add honey to it in the morning, drink it. That also relieves high blood pressure. Drinking 2 teaspoons of cow urine in a day can help relieve from high blood pressure. Female calf urine is good for it. Pregnant cow urine is forbidden. Ayurvedic remedies for high blood pressure. Sarpagandha 100 grams, sweet fag or bocha 100 grams, black pepper 20 grams, rasa sindur 20 grams. All of these are soaking in Brahmi juice. Make pills like piyaj seed. Eating 2 tablets a day in the morning and evening can help relieve from high blood pressure. Sarpagandha and butmen or silajit, take these two in equal quantity. Make small pills like piyaj seed. Take 1 or 2 pills in a day in the morning and in evening that relieve from high blood pressure. Brahmi 200 grams, Shankhapushpi 100 grams, Spikendler or Jotamansi 200 grams, Indian hemp or Vijaya 200 grams, Sarpagandha 400 grams, Ojoba seed or Ojomoda 50 grams, Hogweed or Punarabba 100 grams, Arjun 100 grams, long pepper 100 grams, Sandhav salt 25 grams. Crushing all of these and consume 2 grams in morning and evening gives relief from high blood pressure. Home remedies for low blood pressure. People who have low blood pressure should consume more jaggery, candy, sugarcane juice, and salt. This will help relieve from low blood pressure. Drinking lemon water with added salt 2 or 3 times a day can help relieve from low blood pressure. This is some information about blood pressure, the causes and symptoms of blood pressure, what is good to eat and what not to eat, what are yoga, acupressure, Ayurvedic medicine and home remedies for blood pressure treatment. The next chapter will discuss on diabetics. Thank you.